Ndugamano gatagati ka ngwataniro ya gutetera arutani na TSC ironeka ati itaguthira na ihenya na riu ngucanio ikioya mwerekera mweru thutha wa TSC kwirikana ati ni irengete micaara ya arutani niguo kurugamirira mubango wa mathomo mao undu uria uronekana kwamburura marakara ma TSC iria riu iheanite mukana wa thiku 7 kuri Ministry ya Labour wita mucemanio wa gutaririo wigie mbeca ici.
The entire judgment of the Employment and Labour Court must, and we repeat must, be respected and fully implemented in its entirety without misinterpretation to achieve industrial peace. We hereby bring the matter to your attention and demand that you intervene and resolve the matter within the next 7 days from the date of this letter. Signed and copied to Professor Magoa, whose programs will be affected by any action that teachers may decide or shall decide.
Mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia Knut Wilson Sosion augete ati TSC ndiri na wigiririki wa guthondeka mawatho na mitaratara iria ingitikiria arutani kurengwo mbeca ta icio na uguo TSC ibatie ni kuruta wira wa wandikani na gutigira honge iria ingi maundu ma kurenga micaara.
Teacher professional development modules by the Teacher Service Commission, contrary to the ruling number 151 of 2018 by the Employment and Labor Relations Court of 2019 rather. We bring the above matter to your attention and action. The TSC is acting in bad faith and blatantly defying a court ruling of its own motion.
Sosion augete ati Knut ndiraregana na mubango wa kwambatiria ikiro cia githomo kia arutani no ni ibatie ni guthingata miario ya uiguano mbere ya gukinyaniria itua ta riu na uguo akoria TSC kwaga kuguoyohia arutani na njira ya kumarenga micaara yao.
Withdrawal of check-off system, denying us agency fee and several other labor rights, mutilating our register. Those are matters that we are internationalizing because as teachers of Kenya, we are members of international community and we shall not allow an employer that is thinking around impunity, drinking around impunity, sleeping around impunity to take away our rights.
Ihinda-ini riu Knut ni yukiriire TSC ni undu wa kiria yugite ni gukararia watho uria waheanitwo ni igoti wigie kurenga micaara ya arutani na riu makioria anyiti itemi othe thiini wa sekta ya githomo kugia na giikaro nigetha kugia kihonia kia Ndugamano ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Maina.